there! Today I have a golden tote to unbag. So this month I decided to go for it and get the big tote, which is the golden tote. And if you're not familiar with Golden Tote, it is kind of a mix between an online styling service and an online boutique. And I'll put some information in the description box below as to how the service works, and also my referral link in case you want to check it out. But the Golden Tote, if you're not familiar, is their largest tote, and it includes 5 items total, 2 that you select from their collection, and they have a new collection that they release every month, and 3 that are surprise items that they select for you. But anyway, let's open this and see what I got. With Golden Tote, everything always comes in a tote bag, and I noticed this is a tote bag they've actually had before. They don't always have new tote bags every month. But it is always kind of nice to get a tote bag because I do use these for shopping. So the price for the Golden Tote is $149. And if you lived in the continental US, you would get free shipping, but since I live in Hawaii, I always get charged for shipping, which was $5.95. So my total for this tote of 5 items is $154, which comes out to, you know, a little bit over $30 per item. So I think that's pretty reasonable for the quality of clothing that they usually send. But anyway, let's see what I got. Okay, the first item, and this is actually one of my 2 chosen items. And this is a top, and it's by the brand Lazy Sundays, which is a brand actually I've never gotten before. It says it's made in the USA. I ordered a size small, and I think actually that's the right size for me. But I just thought it was cute. It's almost like a sweater top, and it has these buttons going down the side, which I think is on trend, and it has a side tie. So I actually love white tops, and I do have a lot, but I just think they match anything and everything. So that's the first item, and I think this is cute. Okay, the second item is another top, and this is my second chosen item. I got a medium in this just because it looked like something I would want to size up on. I don't know why. Anyway, but it's the same brand, Lazy Sundays, and I just thought it was really cute. I mean, I love florals. And you see this has a very cute floral print, and it has a peplum with some fluttery sleeves. So yeah, I just thought this was adorable. Next is my first surprise item. Oh, okay, this is cute. It's just a t-shirt, and you'll see it has watermelons, kind of applique watermelons. And this is by Current Air, in a size medium. And yeah, I like this. I like kind of fun t-shirts. The only thing I'm not too sure about is if this is gonna be sheer because it's white, but I think it'll be okay. You just wear like a nude colored bra. So yeah, very cute. Okay, next. I don't know about this one. Yeah, I don't own anything like this, but it's another top. This is by Magazine, and they got a size medium. Yeah, this is a very, I think this is kind of boho. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. It's 100% cotton, made in India. Well, it's definitely something different. I don't know. But we'll see. We'll give it a try. The thing about Golden Tote, if you were to return anything, you lose the benefit of the discount. So instead of like $30, the items will come out to whatever their retail value would be. So it doesn't always make sense to send stuff back, unless you're gonna send a lot of stuff back. Okay, oh, and next is actually a dress. And again with the embroidery in the front. But I mean, this is kind of cute actually. And it's by L Love, size medium. It's gray with white stripes. It has kind of an interesting fluttery sleeve, this embroidered yoke in the front, and it's fully lined. So I do think it's a nice dress. I mean, it kind of has that Anthropologie kind of vibe. And you know, like if I got it in my tote, it comes out to like $30. So that is a good deal for a dress like this. So we'll see. I'll give it a try. So yeah, definitely, definitely things I would not have selected for myself, but sometimes you just never know. Like actually I got this top from Golden Tote, and it's rayon, so I was like, what's it? I didn't think it was that great, but I wear it all the time. I've worn this a lot, And even though it's rayon, I notice I'll just wash it in cold in the machine and then hang it up, and it doesn't seem to be all wrinkly, so I don't have to iron it. So you never know unless you try. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these things on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first chosen item. And you know, I think this is cute. It's just a basic. I think it fits perfectly. This is a size small. And I do like how it has these buttons that kind of go diagonally. I think that's cute. And it has a little tie. I think the length is cute. And yeah, I like this. I just have it paired with some light wash denim jeans, but I think with this top, it's just an off-white sweater top. You could probably wear with almost anything, I think. But yeah, I do like it. I think it's cute. And I just put a tank top underneath because it is a little bit on the sheer side. You can kind of see, yeah? But yeah, cute. I think this is definitely a keeper. Okay, and here's chosen item number 2. And you know, I really do love this top. I think it's so cute. It's just really adorable. I mean, and this is a size medium, so I did size up on this one. And it has this cute flutter sleeve, which I think is very flattering for me and my arms. And it has, yeah, kind of a peplum, I guess, is it? And I just think this print is really cute. And I just have it on with the same light wash jeans, but you could probably wear medium or dark wash jeans, or even white jeans, or I would say colored jeans with this. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this top. I really love it, actually. So yeah, I do think this is a win. Totally. For sure. Okay, so here is the first surprise item. And this is a t-shirt, so. Kaya. Okay, so it's got the applique watermelons on it. It's really cute. And it has an interesting sleeve detail that I didn't really notice when I first pulled it out. So it makes it a little bit more on the poofy side. So I think that's cute. It's a little sheer. Probably got to get a nude bra underneath. And I just put some layered jewelry. And I wore it with a skirt. So I think it looks cute tucked in. And I think you could probably do a front tuck. I don't know if I'd wear it out though. But it is cute. I'll just show you how the length on this t-shirt. Here's the length. So yeah, I think this is very cute actually. It's just kind of a, my dog. I think it's just a fun summer t-shirt. And yeah, very cute. Okay, here is the second surprise item, which is the one that I wasn't too sure about. But you know, actually this is not so bad. I mean, definitely not something I own or would have chosen for myself. It has this kind of interesting embroidery in the front. Yeah, I mean, it's cute. I think it's a very breathable fabric because it's cotton. And yeah, I think this is very nice actually. So, what a surprise, I think. Well, let me know. I mean, I think this is cute. It's different. I'm just wearing it with some jeans, but you could probably also wear with some colored jeans. I do have some burgundy colored jeans. Maybe I could try that. But yeah, I think it's cute. Okay, so here is the last surprise item. Yeah, and I don't know. As you can see, it's too big. The proportions are just not right for me because I'm only 5'1", and I think just this whole thing going on is, I mean, it would be cute maybe if it was scaled a little smaller, but yeah, it just kind of doesn't, I don't think it works for me. I like that it has pockets, and it is fully lined. I mean, it's a cute dress, but I think for me, this is not something I probably would wear. It kind of reminds me like of a house dress, like my grandma used to wear. But it's, I don't know. I'm not sure what to say. Oh dear. But anyway, okay, so that's the last item. This I think is the only item that really didn't work for me. So I'm gonna have to figure out the math on this, if I should even bother to send this back. So we'll see. Okay, so overall, not a bad tote. I think it was kind of a mixed bag for me. I did really love some of the items. Like I really did love this top. You know, this is probably my favorite. Really cute summer top. And also this shirt. I like this. Those are my two chosen items, and I did really like both of them. I also like this white t-shirt. I thought that was cute. And yeah, I definitely would wear this. The embroidered top, you know, it's not something that I would have chosen, you know, but I thought it was actually cute and kind of different. So I think I would definitely wear this. The only item that didn't work for me, and it actually was kind of a big miss, was this dress. Yeah, and to be honest, I saw a picture of this on the Facebook page, and I think I probably did like it. So be careful what you like. But for me, I think the proportion was just not right, you know, like with these big sleeves here and just the big print in the front. It was just kind of overpowering because I'm only 5'1". So yeah, it's not good for a petite person. So even if I size down, I'm not sure if this would work for me. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. That's just too bad. Okay, but anyway, that's all I have for today's video. And I am going to grab one of my cute little furry friends to say goodbye. Okay, come on. And it's really hot and humid. And today we have Miss Sammy here. And both my dogs just got a bath yesterday. So they don't smell stink. You guys smell so good. Oh, shucks. Anyway, but that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I also do some outfits of the day. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.